Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my CHIC Beauty box for the March and April months. This is a bi-monthly subscription. I've never shown this box on my channel before, so I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of information at the start of this video. So this is $34 or $34.99 bi-monthly. This is actually based in Canada, so for all of my Canada babes who've always wanted to get like the $25 Ipsy bag and stuff like that, then this is an option for you. It's bi-monthly. You don't have to get it every month. It's, you know, not gonna be an abundance of makeup, and it's available to all of my Canada babes because, again, like I said, it is available and it's based in Canada. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you everything I got in my box. We were able to customize the entire box, but I already opened this because I got this like 2 weeks ago, and it's not everything that I picked, so I'm sure maybe I picked something and then it ran out, you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm really excited to get into this and show you. I think that this one is definitely in the running to being better than BoxyCharm and Ipsy combined. If you've seen past unboxings, seen past products in boxes, you would be like, oh wait, that is like so much better than BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Like, it's pretty good. So definitely look into it. Go to the website and check all the stuff out. And I was gonna get this a lot sooner than before. I was gonna subscribe to this for their, like, I think November, December box, or somewhere around there, but I actually got reached out to them and they wanted to add me to their PR list, and I accepted, and then I never heard back from them, and I emailed them 2 more times after that in the past months, and yeah, they are not responding to me, so I guess they don't want me on their PR list anymore. So I don't know what happened to that, but I was gonna purchase this anyway, so here it is. I did purchase this. It is not in PR. They did not respond back to me after inviting me, so am I salty? No, because I was going to get it anyway. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm very excited to show you though. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free. The little red button that says subscribe, just go ahead and click it. It would make me so happy. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's open her up and see what I got in here. Very excited to show you. Okay, so here's the little card, and it's going to show you all of the prices of all the products that was coming in the boxes this month. So I'm just going to read off the list and show, like, let you know what every item would have been coming in the box, depending on if you were able to choose it or not. So we have the Rodin Oyo Lusso Luxury Face Oil for $96, the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette for $54, the NARS 7 Deadly Sins Lipstick Palette for $52, the NARS 54 Hyped Eyeshadow Palette for $59, the Clarins Instant Eye Reviver for $47, the Rodin Oyo Lusso Luxury Lipstick for $38, the Too Faced Mini Eyeshadow Palette for $27, the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Matte Pencil for $19, the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil for $27, the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Powder for $9.99, the L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy Lumiere Stick for $9.99, and the Milani Moisture Oil Lip Treatment for $10. So this box offers you a high-end product selection, and then you get the drugstore selection, so you get a mixture of both, and then there's a product that everyone's going to receive in their box. So very first thing in here that I picked out was the Huda Beauty Lip Contour. Now you don't get to pick what shades that you want to receive, but you do get to pick the product, and then they pick the shade for you. So this is the shade Famous. I've always wanted to try one of their lip pencils because I've heard they're really good. So I think this one might do. So unfortunately mine is broken. So that kind of sucks. But let me try and get a swatch for you guys. Oh, not only is my pencil broken, but it's like really dry. Like extremely dry. Oh. So that's disappointing. I might have to retake my thumbnail because I took a very happy thumbnail. So this is $19. I can't use it. It looks like this. So we're off to a great start. Next up, I got this Milani Moisture Lock Lemon Oil Infused Lip Treatment in O2 Healing Honey. And let's just open it up and make sure that this isn't expired, because you know, we're not off to a good start like I just said. I wonder if this is gonna smell like lemon honey, because that would be pretty cool. Yeah, kind of, yeah. It smells pretty good, actually. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I know you're not going to be able to see anything, but yeah, there it is right there. Smells good, so I think that product is fine. Next up, I got the Rodin Oleosa Luxury Face Oil. This was a product everyone was getting. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. I was thinking it was the Radial brand, but it's not. So this is the packaging, and this is what the product looks like. This isn't something that I know I'm going to use, so I'll probably throw this one up on my Poshmark. So if you guys are interested in that, I have a link below. You can save $10 if you sign up and use my referral code Krystyn. You get a $10 credit to shop a closet, which is great. And then by the same brand, I have a luxury lipstick in Pinky Winky, which reminds me of like Tinky Winky, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It kind of reminds me of the KKW lipsticks. And this is in a shade that I definitely know I'm never gonna wear ever. It's just way too bold and bright, so this one's probably gonna go on my Poshmark as well. And then lastly, we have the Maybelline Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder All Day Matte Finish, which is exciting. So yeah, we just have the powder in here. I will definitely throw this up on my Poshmark as well. I have so many powders that I love that I don't need another one in my collection. So that is everything that I got in my Chic Beauty box. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I have to say that I don't think I got everything that I chose. I will throw up some screenshots if I can find them on my phone of the items that I did choose, because I don't think I got them. So it's kind of like, what's the point in choosing if you don't get the items that you choose? But I don't know. Anyways, that is it for this video. I want to know your thoughts and opinions, because I'm a little disappointed in this. If you did get this box, did you get a really dry, broken lip pencil from Huda Beauty? Because this girl is dry, okay? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!